Good evening, YouTubers. Today I'll be doing a double airsoft review of two classical airsoft guns. One of them is my favorite. Be doing a review on the German submachine gun, the MP40. Well, let's start off with this. The MP40 was used in World War II by the Germans, and got this gun 2 years ago. 2 years ago, actually. It's fully in semi-automatic, 380 FPS. It's really high quality, full metal. I don't know if you could hear it, but it got a retractable stock, which makes it great for close quarters, and it also has the range for long quarters. So here's a retractable stock. Gives it that really classical MP40 look. Now, no really special features. This is more of a reenactment type gun, but I really like this gun. Iron sights are pretty shitty, and it does have sling capability. So the magazine only holds 32 BBs, which will be used quite fastly because this has a very high rate of fire. But now on to the Thompson gun, American World War II submachine gun. It's pretty good gun. It is a spring gun. Got it for $40. It has great accuracy and 350 feet per second. You know, it's really just like a backyard war type of gun. Clear plastic, which I really hate, but you know, couldn't really go wrong with this deal. And fake wood. The clip has a reserve chamber, or the magazine has a reserve chamber, and you know, that lasts you a while with spring guns. But high quality. I haven't broken it yet. That's saying something for a spring gun. I've had this for nearly a year. Got banged around a lot, but no major dents or scratches in it. So props to this gun. High quality. Two rails, one on the top and one on the right. So there's the top, other side. You know, not that rails really matter for a gun like this, but yeah, I really like this gun. So I was gonna make this a double airsoft review, but why not make it triple? So let me just go get another gun. I said, screw it, YOLO, making this a quadruple airsoft gun review. I have this little revolver I got for my birthday, $25 down at Army Barracks, or Barracks. Pretty quality gun. Not that accurate, not that much range. It does hold shells. I don't have it loaded right now, but you know, this gun's really a play around gun. As you can see, I dropped it. Lost that little wooden piece off of it, which is pretty unfortunate. Every time you shoot it, you pull back. And I like the sights on this gun because I don't know if you could see it. But let me see if against the white. Yep, you see the little red on the sights. I really think that's great, helping you aim for your target a little better. But yeah, let's be done with that gun. Now on to my favorite airsoft gun in my arsenal, my Spring M1911. I've had this gun for a while. You know, it's really lasted me a long time. It's pretty beat up. As you can see, the orange cap fell off, as long as the back caulking hammer. That also snapped off. Really dented everywhere, but shoots about 350 FPS, which is really good. This is a $60 gun or $40 gun, and had it for 2 years now. Really can't go wrong with something like this. High quality, long lasting. It's really just great. But you know, that pretty much sums it up. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna look around for more stuff to do reviews on in my room, but check in. My next review is gonna be on the Beretta M9 and the G36. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, and yeah.